Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel Nigerian News and Entertainment, your number one channel for entertainment news, gist and celebrity gossip happening around. For first time viewer, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit on the bell button to get new notifications when story drops. Top 10 richest musicians in Nigeria 2020 and their net worth according to Forbes. Here we have taken a close look at the top 10 richest musicians in Nigeria 2020 Forbes and their net worth, while the Nigerian music industry continues to grow big over the years to come, and also with a possible answer to the question of who is the richest musician in Nigeria 2020. However, Forbes has recorded and ranked the various artists who made the list based on their net worth and fan base gathered over time to earn such recognition. Who is the richest musician in Nigeria? To know the richest Nigerian musician in 2020, one has to consider music-generated revenue and net worth, including music sales, distribution, endorsement deals, and also the capacity of their fan base. Number 10 on the list, Flavour, net worth $9.5 million. Chinedu Uzochukwu Okoli is famously known for his stage name Flavour. He is an Igbo highlife songwriter and singer who started his musical career as a church drummer back in Enugu State in eastern Nigeria. The award-winning singer was born 23rd November 1983 and rose to fame with his hit songs like Nwa Baby and Ada Ada. He had a sting with promising record labels including Kenny's Music, Tonight's Entertainment, snap up to the number 10 spot on Forbes list with an estimated net worth of $9.5 million. At number 9, Peter Okoye and Paul Okoye, net worth $10 million. The defunct PSquare Peter Okoye and Paul Okoye, who used to be Nigerian heavyweight music duo, they were good at dropping a regular album on a spray. On 9th spot with a net worth of $10 million, the MTV African Music Awards have been on the entertainment scene long ago but could be fondly remembered for songs like Beautiful Inye, Personally and more. At number 8, Samaya, net worth $10.5 million. Etimi Timaya Odon, popularly known as Samaya, made it into Forbes' richest musician in Nigeria 2020 with a net worth of $10.5 million. Samaya was first spotted on Nigerian music scene 2005 with a hit song titled Demama. The song was inspired by 1999 brutal killing of a full village in Bayelsa State, Nigeria. Meanwhile, the award-winning Port Harcourt 1997-born sensation has remained relevant with series of tracks, including his most recent trending song titled I Can't Kill Myself. At number 7 spot, Phyno, net worth $11 million. Chibuzo Nelson Azubike, with a global name as Phyno, is a Nigerian indigenous rapper, singer. He has placed the Igbo language on a world map alongside other Igbo artists. Phyno, the 1986 Enugu-born, sent his fan base into ecstasy back in 2014 with his debut studio album No Gods, No Glory. Why all this while he has been relevant, he made the richest musician in Nigerian list with a net worth of $11 million. Olamide on number 6, net worth $12 million. Olamide is a Nigerian indigenous rapper, born 1989 and a native of Bariga, Lagos State. The award-winning artist first showed some flashes of brilliance in 2011 with a debut studio album, Rhapsody, under the stewardship of Coded Tunes. Olamide Adedeji made his mark with his subsequent album released under his imprint record label, YBNL. However, Olamide has made the top 10 richest musicians in Nigeria 2020 on the sixth spot with a net worth of 12 million. At number 5, Baba alias Two-Face with net worth $16 million. Innocent Uja Idibia, known as Baba, was born in 1975 in Jos, Nigeria. He is a seasoned singer, songwriter and philanthropist. Two-Face is regarded as one of the new millennium pioneers of African music and has been shown consistency within the entertainment industry and at large. He made the Nigerian richest musician list in 5th place with a net worth of $16 million. On number 4, we have Burna Boy. Damini Ebunaoluwa Oguli is a Nigerian Afrofusion singer born in 1991 in Port Harcourt. He is known as Burna Boy with his first single in 2012 titled Like to Party. The singer has left no stone unturned, especially with his latest album dubbed African Giant, and has earned himself Grammy Awards 2020 finalist, which he narrowly lost. Meanwhile, the Afrofusion singer has made the Forbes 2020 richest Nigerian musician with a net worth of 17 million, topping legendary Two-Face Idibia and co. On the number 3 spot, we have Don Jazzy. Michael Collins Ajare, known as Don Jazzy, born in 1982 in Abia State. He graduated from Ambrose Ali University. Don Jazzy is a Nigerian singer, record producer, and entrepreneur. While in 2004, he co-founded now-defunct Mohit record label. Upon the cessation of Mohit, he set up Marvin's Record in May 2012, which delivered their first blessings with the song titled Dorobuchi. However, the Marvin record label boss stood on 3rd position with a net worth of $18.5 million. On number 2 spot, Davido. David Adedeji Adeleke, known as Davido, is a Nigerian American-born singer. He made his first musical appearance in 2012 with a hit single titled Damiduro. However, if anything could be forgotten about the DMW boss, definitely not his recent drops such as Blow My Mind, Risky, and Top Notch, Sweet in the Middle. Davido is pretty young to make this list at 27 years. He is a big money man to watch out for as time goes on. Meanwhile, he holds 2nd spot with a net worth of $19 million. On number 1 spot, Wizkid. Ayodeji Ibrahim Balogun, known as Wizkid, is a Nigerian Afrobeat reggae singer and songwriter. He started as a church boy while he got noticed in 2011. Meanwhile, he will live with notable songs like Ojo Elegba, Fever, Brown Skin Girl, and Joro. Wizkid clinched number 1 seat on the top 10 richest musician in Nigeria 2020 with a net worth of $20 million, and we believe this will not surprise you because he has been very dominant all this while. The richest Nigerian artist has earned this spot with a fan base always ready to snap up anything issued out. Notwithstanding the fact that he currently boasts the largest endorsement deal in Africa and the global market distribution, we also understand some music lovers may not be satisfied with this top 10 listed. Kindly do well by sharing your thoughts with us.